There are very dangerous downsides, friends.
Oh my God!
Oh, man!
What's the hell?
Oh, man!
Get out! Get out! Get out! Tractor!
Brother, it seems that the tractor is stuck in the rocks.
What happened is the tractor tire is stuck.
The tractor is badly stuck under itself. Get down and pull out.
Press the up accelerator and push the up accelerator twice. Brother, what shall we do now? Tractor is stuck.
This tractor tire is stuck in the rocks and mud very badly.
Don't worry, I will help you. And something special.
Ha 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 ha!